I'm Jennifer Van Berklio, online editor for Power Engineering. A new report from the Department of Energy is shedding new light on the potential of wind power development in the U.S. The report, Enabling Wind Power Nationwide, highlights the potential for development in regions with limited wind power capacity. Energy Secretary Ernest Moniz announced the findings during the opening session at Wind Power 2015 in Orlando. The regions highlighted in the report represent about 1/5 of the U.S., bringing the nation's total of technical potential for wind power development to 1.8 million square miles. Advancements such as taller wind turbine towers and larger rotors are currently under development by the Energy Department. Larger turbines and rotors are capable of harnessing stronger and more consistent wind resources, usually found at greater heights. Wind generation has more than tripled in the U.S. in just the past 6 years, according to the report. You can learn more about the report's findings by visiting the Power Engineering website. Duke Energy said it will build a $750 million natural gas-fired power plant to replace its coal-fired Asheville plant. The utility also announced plans to build a solar farm on the site as part of a $1.1 billion plan to modernize and upgrade its infrastructure. The 650-megawatt gas plant should be open by 2019. At the same time, the 376-megawatt coal plant will be retired. Duke said carbon dioxide emissions will be reduced by 60% as a result. Regulators say there's a high probability that Plant Vogtle will be delayed even longer than the 3 years already announced by its owners. The first new reactor in Georgia was expected to start operating in April 2016, with a second reactor following a year later. In January, the utility announced a consortium designing and building the plant, Westinghouse and Chicago Bridge and Iron, expected the construction schedule to take longer than the 3 years. Those companies remain locked in a legal dispute about who should pay the resulting costs. A single day of delay will cost Georgia Power roughly $2 million, according to estimates from regulators. GE announced the launch of its digital wind farm, a dynamic, connected, and adaptable wind energy ecosystem. Using the industrial internet technology, GE can boost a wind farm's energy production by up to 20% and could help generate up to an estimated $50 billion of value. The digital infrastructure will also enhance production, reduce costs, and boost operating efficiency. The system begins with GE's brilliant wind turbines, where embedded sensors are connected and data is gathered, then analyzed using GE's Predict software. That data provides information on temperature, turbine misalignments, and vibrations that can affect performance. Mark your calendars for Powergen Natural Gas. Powergen Natural Gas is August 18th through the 20th at the Greater Columbus Convention Center in Columbus, Ohio. Join some of the top names in the energy industry to discuss the issues surrounding technology, operation, construction, and maintenance of gas-fired power and production from unconventional hydrocarbon resources. For more information, visit power-gennaturalgas.com. Well, that's your power generation news for now. Thanks for watching, and be sure to look for this newscast twice a week on the Power Engineering website. And you can always connect with our editors and join in on the discussions on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. For Power Engineering News, I'm Jennifer Van Berklio.